this. Y'all need to call sometime. Y'all still got my number. Stop me calling you. Don't act like you don't want to answer the phone.
I don't want to give it to you, but think of a way. Y'all know. Come on now. If you got a girl, if you got a lady, you know how to get them to calm down. Hold on now. No, don't. You can't grab her. You can't grab her. But calm her down. Let's diffuse the situation and keep going. And who was you?
I'm in for him.
Oh, okay. Okay, so he called you. So you want to call her, but you can't call me. No, don't text. No, you can call her, but you can't talk to her. I'm not going nowhere with you. Now you want to go to the house. Now you want to go to the house. No, baby, it's 4 years old, and now you want to go to the house?
We're going to talk.
We gonna talk.